So how you do this is you pull it all the way up until it gets all the way to there. Okay, so what our machine is this, and how we build it is we use this to put the sides, so when it comes up, it doesn't fall because that will be bad. And then
Go ahead and pull your string.
how it works is you pull the string, and then it comes up here. Then you get hold. Then it comes down. We made the marble thing, and then first the first thing that we were trying is to pull it up like this, and then so we did it, so it actually worked. So then we put it back down. Then so we put a popsicle stick here, and we put tape around it, and then it works like this. We made this, and it's a pulley. We put 6 marbles, and then we pull it up, and then
Show me how you work it.
Okay, so we made it like putting first. We put a tape all around the cup. Second, we made this pin and put it on, and then we got it right. And now I'm going to show you how it works. You pull it like this. It's just a knot stop. This is our pulley, and it can pull 6 marbles up to the top of the castle. And we built it by attaching the string up to this. Then we put the paper clip on, put some tape, and attached it to the cup, and put in 6 marbles. And this is how it works. And then we can pull it down, and it will go down.